Look guys, we're back from our videos. So today we're going to play Dream OB. So now I'm going to collect stage 100 again. So that means I'm going to collect stage 100. So anyways guys, only got stage 3 I guess. I need to speed run. We need to speed run like this before because I'm going to just beat this game. So anyways guys, I know I'm going to beat this game before. So now I'm gonna just gonna speed run it like this. Why does my body like this? So anyways guys, I know I have like this. Unlike this before. So anyways guys, I'm gonna beat this game called Game Over before because I know gonna just get stage before I guess. So I'm going to get stage 6 or something before I'm going to just beat this game on the whole time. So anyways guys, I only get stage 7 I guess. So anyways guys, I know I'm going to beat this game. So we're going now. We're going now get it. So we're at stage 8. So anyways, I'm going to get stage 9. Stage 9. Please be stage 9. Okay, so anyways, stage 9. Okay, we got players sold down, but I just think the idea even for guys. Yeah, I'm a genius. I'm a genius, you guys. Okay. Okay, next. Wait, okay. Wait, hold on. Wait, I thought it was okay. Okay, they're trying to trick me. Okay, let's go. Let's go to no. Let's go to speedrun like this. Ha! I'm going to speedrun. I'm going to speedrun, guys. So anyways, guys, I'm not going to speedrun like this before, I guess. So anyways, guys, there's so many obviously there before. So now I'm going to just let's just slide there. So now I'm going to just go to rush into her before. So I'm going to chase her. So I'm speeding this. I'm going to speedrun now. So now I'm going to speedrun this. I'm going to start touching stage. Okay. Boom, boom, yeah, jump. Okay, so anyways, guys, why there's a level is there? I only got 16 stage. Okay, so anyways, guys, 17. We're almost there. Okay, guys, we're almost there. So anyways, guys, I'm going to just beat this game. Beat this game, guys. So anyways, guys, I know I'm going to just speed run. I know I'm just speed run this before. Okay. So anyways, only guys. Modification, modification. Ah, yeah, that's right. Modification. Okay, stage 20. Okay, yes. So now I only got this and this and this. Only got items. So I take the Robux in this. So now I'm going to. Oh, please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be tricky. Yes. Damn, you made the wrong way, girl. You did the wrong way. Bruh. This game is so annoying, guys. So anyways, guys, I know it's gonna be easy. It's easy, guys. It's easy, okay? Anyways, bruh, stop falling, okay? If I fall, then I'm going to just skip. I don't know what this. I don't know. I'm going to just spawn. What's that? Circle, square, triangle, square, circle. I don't know. Square. I don't know what it is. Okay, I only got ice cubes. I don't know. Whoop, whoop. Yes, I'm speedrunning this. Okay, stage 26. Okay, so anyways, good speed. Okay, I'm good to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so anyway, so now go to the keep on jumping. Keep more jumping before I go to just beat this. Okay, I almost made it. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to slide. I'm going to slide. Wait. So slow. I'm going to just keep more jumping before I'm going to just start shooting at checklist. Okay, so when I say stop falling. Okay. So anyways, do not. Someone, wait. I almost made it. Okay, almost made it. Almost made it. Okay, so anyways, guys, we're going to go to the beach. I don't know what to go with this. I don't know what to go with this. Nah, stop. Yeah, no, gonna. Oh, easy. Okay, we need to speed on this. We need to speed on. Stage 33. Okay, we need to do this. We need to guys. Anyways, I'm going to just talking about it, I guess. I'm going to speed run. I know I'm going to speed run this. No, be fun. You can't speed run. I'm speed run already. Okay, so now I'm going to beat this. I can beat this game. I can beat this game, guys. Okay, so anyways, what's that? Is that a like that? Yes. Okay, 36. 636. Okay. What's that? Okay, we need to. Oh, give me a gut 37, I guess. Okay. We need to beat this game. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yes. Okay, 39. Stage 39. Okay, guys. So, anyways, they pointing out the checkpoint, guys. They pointing out the stage, it is. Okay. Open shop, skip stage, finish obby. Okay, so, anyways, guys, if if I just collect this like this, I don't want. I'm going to speedrun this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oop, ooh. I know I'm going to cheat. Ah, damn. Oh, damn. Damn. Wait, I should do like this. Up, up. Damn. Please. Yes. No, but where is it? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Who are you? Did I just finish the game? What? Wait, did I just win? Oh wait, okay. Okay, I need to just damn I just get this on stage. Oh my goodness. Okay, I get I need to ow. Ow ow ow. Oh, okay guys. Now go to speedrun. Let's speedrun this. Okay, so anyways guys. Okay. I go to speedrun this. What is that? What's that? Hi, hey Yori. Hi, okay, so anyways guys, so now we're going to the speech game. Okay, we're now going to be finish line. Yes, we're gonna finish line, let's go. We need to collect 50 or 49. 49 and 50. 50 stage. 50, 50 stage, I don't know. Oh, 50 stage, okay, so anyways guys, that is easy mode guys. Oh my goodness. Wait, let's see what happens. Okay. So, anyways, guys, I'm not going to beat this game. I like this. So, anyways, guys, I'm going to swing like this. So, anyways, guys, if thanks for watching or for the please subscribe to my channel. So, please comment me, share, like, and subscribe. So, anyways, guys, if you want, please subscribe to my channel. So, anyways, guys, if you're watching, please subscribe to my channel. We'll get 400 video subscribe. So, anyways, guys.